Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program for importing module for add, addition and subtraction of two numbers. So given two numbers as input to your Python program, so your task is to create a module for addition and subtraction, and then finally you have to import that and start using these two functions. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So this is my main program. So let's go to my current working directory. So if you see over here, so I just have the main.py over here. So now let us try to create a module. So let's create a new Python file. So let's go to file and let's say select new and Python file. So now let us try to create a module. Let's give some sample name, that is, let's say my module. So you can see this is my module. So let's minimize this. Yeah, so once we try to create a new Python file, so let us try to add the comment. So let's say something like this module contains functions for addition and subtraction of two numbers. So this is just a simple comment or the documentation purpose I have written. So now let us try to write two functions. First is add and the other one is subtract. So let's define add and we have to pass arguments to this particular function. So let's pass two values a comma b. Yeah, so this is my function definition. So now let us try to return the value, that is a plus b. So that is addition of two numbers. So this is the first function. So let us try to define another function. So let's say definition sub and let's pass two values a comma b. Yeah, so once we are done defining the function name, so let's return a minus b over here, a minus b. Yeah, so this is a simple module that contains two functions for addition and subtraction of two numbers. So now let's go to the main program, and here what we do is we try to, that is try to ask a user to enter two numbers and we try to use the module. So let's try to import the module. So let's import module, that is my module. So this is the name that we have given, that is my module. So now let's take two variables x and y. First, let's take x and use the input function call to ask user to enter first number. Yeah, so once the user enters the number, so it will be of string type. So let us convert from string type to an integer or floating type. So let's use the floating type. Yeah, so once we are done getting the first value, so let's take another variable y and use the same function, that is input function, and just slightly change, copy pasted the same. So let's modify this. Yeah, so once we are done getting two values, so now let us try to call the function. So let's say add underscore result is equals to, so this is another variable to store the result of addition. So let's say my module dot add. So this is my function that I have defined in the module. So let's pass two values, that is x and y. Yeah, so once we are done getting the or calling the first function, so let's take another variable sub underscore result. So this is the variable to store the subtraction result, my module dot sub, and let's pass two input variable, that is user entered values a and that is x and y. So once we are done getting the result, so let us try to print it. Let's use a print function and use a formatting, and that is a string formatting. Let's say addition of x and y in the flower braces, x and y is, so let's give colon and let us try to print the add underscore result. And now let us try to print the or copy paste the same, that is Control C and paste the same, and let's slightly modify this. Let me copy paste the same again. Subtraction of x and y is, here we have to modify, that is sub underscore result. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to create a module for addition and subtraction, and accept two numbers from the user, and then finally use the module and use the function and finally print the result. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so enter the first number, so let's give 4 and 5. So you can see addition of 4 5 is 9 and subtraction is -1. Closing it, so let me run it again. So enter the first number, so let's give something like floating point 3.3 and 2.2. So you can see addition is 5.5 and subtraction is 1.0999. So you can use float formatting over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to use the module and then import and that is perform addition and subtraction of two numbers. I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.